Hi, so today I'm going to talk about this anti-aging facial massage gift set. So basically it comes with a, let's remove the packaging. It comes with a Gua Sha. It's a jade stone Gua Sha, so this is a shape. And then it also comes with a jade roller. So I'm going to use each of these and I'll show how to use them. So first, I'm also going to... So there's a lot of benefits to using the jade roller as well as the Gua Sha. So the Gua Sha is like mainly to contour your face, like to help with the contours and move away any like bloating or any water that you have in certain parts of your face. And just like really like shape out your jawline and your cheekbone. And then for the jade roller, it's really good for like anti-aging, to just smooth out your skin tone. It helps produce collagen in your face. I like to do it with serums. This way, like I know that the serums are really getting into like my skin and things like that. So I usually use the Ordinary serum. It's the ascorbyl glucoside solution. So this is a brightening serum it's basically vitamin C. And I like putting vitamin C on my face. I feel like it balances out my skin tone. I always feel brighter. I have really dark under eye circles. So honestly, using the vitamin C has definitely improved it a lot. So we're just going to do that. So usually how I do it is I do the jade roller first. So I'm going to like add a drop to my under eye. Like that. And then I use the jade roller to sort of, and I go in an upwards direction. So I go like, or I usually go like this. Or, you know, I usually use like the longer side. So like that. Same here. And the thing about the jade is that the jade roller is that it stays really cold. So I didn't even put this in the fridge or anything, but it feels really cold on my face, which I really enjoy because then like honestly, it's just another really comforting part about skincare. And yeah, it's very soothing for your skin also. And I know that using cold products also like helps with anti-aging. So I just like put it on like this. I like putting it in my morning routine and just constantly moving my skin in an upward motion to like fight any like bagginess. And yeah, so then after that, I usually do this for like another 5 more minutes. And then I'll grab like the Gua Sha. And the Gua Sha, again, it's like for carving and like just to move away like any bloatiness on your face and like help contour out your jawline and your cheekbone. So I'll just grab the stick like this. This is like the rounded top. This is a bit of a sharper edge. And I'll just pull it like that. That. And then like this. That actually feels really great. Like that. And I just keep doing this for about like a minute. And like I know some people also like do this just to like, again, move away any like puffiness, swollenness, things like that. So yeah, I'm just going to continue going like this for a while. So if you enjoy, it's really good for like blood circulation also. It honestly just helps me feel like really awake. Aquí eso. So it helps with blood flow, and just the fact that it's really cold also helps your skin with fight any puffiness and things like that. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please do like the video, leave a comment if I'm doing something wrong, or if I'm doing it right, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. And I will definitely link this below. Honestly, I got this set because it was a great price, which is, and it came for like 2 for 1. And I also really did like the Jade. So, happy Gua Shaing, everyone.